Hello everyone, let's begin with the new question. The question says Mr. Pawan is paid a fixed weekly salary plus commission based on percentage of sales made by him. If on the sales of rupees 68,000 and rupees 73,000 in two successive weeks, he received in all rupees 9,880 and rupees 10,180. Find his weekly salary and the rate of commission paid to him. Now let's quickly begin with the solution. Now in the question, we are asked to find two unknowns, right? The very first unknown is the weekly salary of Mr. Pawan and second unknown is the rate of commission. So let's take the fixed weekly salary of Mr. Pawan be rupees X and the rate of commission be Y%, right? Very simple. Now in the question, we are given with details of 2 weeks. For the first week, the total sales value was rupees 68,000 and the total earning was 9,880. And similarly for the second week, the total sales was 73,000 and total earning was 10,180. Now dear students, we all very well know that the total earnings of any agent is nothing but fixed salary plus commission, right? तो मिस्टर पवन के केस में भी जो उनकी टोटल अर्निंग है इट विल बी हिज फिक्स्ड सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. Now as far as the details of the first weeks are concerned, the total earning was 9,880. So on the left hand side we can substitute 9,880. On the right hand side, fixed salary can be substituted as X and plus commission will be Y% of 68,000, right? Let's call it as equation number 1. Now similarly, if we talk about the second week details, the total earning was 10,180. So total earning or the left hand side can be substituted as 10,180. On the right hand side, fixed salary will again be X and plus commission will be Y% of 73,000, correct? So Y% of 73,000, call it as equation number 2. अब हमको सिंपली इन दोनों इक्वेशन को साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना है टू गेट वैल्यूज ऑफ x and y. Now it is quite clear from the two equations that if I subtract both of them, this x and x will be eliminated and we will get value of y. And using that y, substituting that y in any of the two equations, you can easily get value of x. So what I am doing now, I am subtracting equation number 1 and 2. So 1 is 9880x. Now y% of 68,000 is y upon 100 into 68,000. तो जो y upon 100 में दो जीरो है वो दो जीरो और यहाँ के दो जीरो कट हो जाएंगे तो we will be left with 680y. तो इसका जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन है it will be 680y, right? Similarly जो second equation है 10,180 remains the same, x remains the same and y% of 73,000 will be 730y. Now we are subtracting these two, right? So जब हम subtract करेंगे तो ये भी माइनस हो जाएगा, ये भी माइनस हो जाएगा और ये भी माइनस हो जाएगा, correct? Now this x and x will be eliminated, gone, x and x gone. Now 9880 minus 10,180 is how much? Yes, it is minus 300. And on the right hand side 680y minus 730y is minus 50y. Now this minus and minus will be cancelled and y will be 300 upon 50 which is 6, right? So we know or we have calculated the rate of commission as 6%. So the first part of the question is done, right? Now as far as the second part, that is the fixed weekly salary is concerned, you simply need to substitute this y in any of the two equations. So I am substituting this y equal to 6 in equation number 1. And remember, this is the simplified version of equation number 1, right? So instead of using this, you can straight away use this equation. So it will be 9880 equals to x plus 680y. Now y can be substituted as 6. So 9880 equals to x plus 680 into 6, which is 9880 equals to x plus this into this is 4080 and simplifying this further we get x as 9880 minus 4840, which eventually give us the value of x as rupees 5800. Hope you have understood this. Thank you very much. See you in the next question.